Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download Delta Executor on iOS. So go to website allexecutor.com using Safari browser. Go to side menu, choose Delta Executor iOS. Now scroll down until you find download section right here. Choose one of these, link to download EPA file. I prefer Mediafire. There's the first link right here. Click on that. Then wait 10 seconds. And you will be redirected to the Mediafire website. Click on Delta Executor iOS download. Click on download. Now you should install Delta Executor app through Scarlet app. If you want to know how to do this, check other videos on my channel. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.